In healthcare, the key thing is that it's not a normal industry. And yes, for those things that are common and multiple companies have it, it's suddenly the same market forces. But in most other high-end things like gene therapy, the market forces don't apply. Okay, how do you value a cure for cystic fibrosis to a family? And then if the medicine really costs $300,000 a dose to make, how do you stop a manufacturer from charging $1 million for it? It's only a 3-time markup. Okay, any other industry, right? That would be a teeny tiny markup in terms of percentage, and it actually costs that. So that's why now, who actually will control this entire high-end industry will be very interesting to me, because it may be the manufacturers. Because there are many smart people who figure out which genes to turn around and flip and edit and how to do it in terms of DNA and RNA. But trying to make it cheaper so that people can afford it is going to be the manufacturers. Okay? And the only reason they cost so much to make right now is because back when cell culture was invented, it was glass petri dishes. There were no fancy plastics. There was no way of diffusing oxygen into cells that keep them alive much better than they do now. And we still make cells the way we used to. And that's why this entire field is about to be totally disruptive. And the cost will come down 1,000 to 10,000-fold in real dollars. But in medicine, many times when that happens, it's not translated to people. Antibodies used to cost a lot of money to make. Now it's down to $2 a dose, and people are still charging $2,000 per dose in terms of cost. So one of the things that we are going to need to help with, we're going to be part of the manufacturing and the sale of these products, is how we're going to make sure that some of these medicines that are truly life-saving are available to anyone who actually gets it. Okay? And so I make this challenge to my students all the time. I go, how would you go and regulate price? Okay? And then my solution, and I got huge trouble with this when I wrote this, okay, is that if it's really, really cheap and it's come down, and there's only one manufacturing process that does it, so it's almost monopoly, and then we should be able to charge it like Coke. Coca-Cola costs different in every country, and every country that is recognized by the UN has Coke. 221, okay, and out of the 260 countries that exist, and the price is completely fine to the local economy. And so I got a huge trouble for writing this, that the first world should pay more because we can afford it, so that the emerging world, the sick people, can actually get it. Okay? And so anyway, so for you youngsters out there, when you get rich and when you get your patents and you get your stock options, you're going to need to decide what you're going to do with your life and how you're going to help people. One of those things is making sure that everything you actually make better gets to the right people.